Okay, hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fill up a lighter. There's mainly three things that you're going to need. You're going to need well, of course, your lighter that's empty, and newspaper, and your lighter fluid. So, first of all, you want to just make sure you have something under where you're going to fill your lighter up, and just need your lighter that's kind of empty. You can tell it's empty because there's just a little flame. It's barely going. Now it's not even gonna light, but yeah. Once you got this, you're gonna want to just flip this little, flip that up. Okay. Now I want to take your lighter straight out, flip it over, stick it back in, and lift this layer of crap up. I don't really know what to call it, like that foam stuff. And since this one's kind of out, well, actually, take your lighter out, and then open up your lighter fluid just like this. Just a neat little trick. Okay, just want to put your lighter right back in, lift this up, and then you're gonna want to do 1 or 2 4 or 5 second like squirts into the inner part of the lighter. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, since this one's, I don't know, since it's not completely dry, then I'm just gonna do just 1 squirt for now, just to see if it works. Then you press it down, wait a few seconds. Okay, and then just take it, flip it right upside like that, and then flip your thing back down, and you should have a nice flame. Okay, that's it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.